Bump this shit up, bruh.
Go crazy, berserker, crazy, berserker.
Yo! Yo! Oh, you got it?
Oh yeah.
And be making waves, boy. And be making waves, boy.
Your body's first reaction is to gasp. You think if your shower water turns cold real quick, what do? And as soon as you hit the water, you gasp like that, and you inhale water. So almost accidentally, they inhale water as soon as they hit the water.
And they drown.
And then once your lungs are full of water, I mean,
You're sinking.
you're done. Yeah. So yeah.
We came from the cliffs, but our friends are under there fishing.
Yeah, they're fishing right now.
Poor Grace. Record this, but for old time's sake,
bro.
holy fuck, dude.
Damn, bro. What happened?
Yo, this day just keeps getting crazier. So, Mason got a fishing hook in his hand. Mason,
What?
oh my god! And guess what? Where are we at right now, Mason?
Oh, we're broke down at the top of a mountain in bum nowhere. Dude.
What's going on? This is on it. This is incredible.
This is awesome, dude.
This is, man, stomach empty, hook in hand, and there's Joe.
I gotta piss, bro.
My car
is- The
Andy's
engine
car's
light was flashing.
fucked up.
Every time I give it gas, it
She's
shakes.
holding my dick. My finger is stoved. Man, we'll see you guys later. I'll let you know how this shit goes.
Baby, is your reign over? Can you battle with the devil? Oh, baby, is the game over?